Let me show you how to set up and use your HT17 smartwatch. Inside the box, when you receive this watch, you get your manual and also a cable to charge your watch. And this also uses magnetic charger. So on the back of your watch over here, you see these pins, and essentially, and you simply align the charger basically with the pins on the watch, and then simply plug in any USB. And to turn on your watch, simply press and hold this on-off button for a few seconds essentially. So again, if it's not turning on, simply try to charge it essentially. So have to hold it for a few seconds. By the way, if you want to get this watch for absolutely insane price, I'll also leave a link in the description where you can get it for essentially under $4 on Temu. So again, this is also with free shipping. Also, I'll leave a link on AliExpress, but again, on the Temu, I think it's absolutely crazy price. The normal price is around $15 to $20 essentially on this watch. And when you turn on your watch, we'll need to select our language essentially here. And next, we actually need to pair our watch with our phone. And this watch uses this app called FitCloud Pro. So this is available on Android and also iPhone. So simply download and open it up over here, agree to this stuff. Then over here you can either create account or click this use without account, so it's cool. So enter some details, so make sure this stuff is obviously accurate, as it will be used to calculate your health stuff essentially. So again, make sure it's fairly accurate. Then let's click next, enter your goal if you want. Okay, allow this nearby device scanning, so otherwise you won't be able to find. And as you see, it pretty much instantly found our watch. Also, if it still doesn't work, also make sure you have your Bluetooth enabled basically. And if it still doesn't work, also try restarting your phone. That also sometimes clears these issues. And then we can simply click connect once you see it, and you will see a prompt as you see. So accept this request, and you see success. Then over here, basically, if you go over here in the device settings, okay, also allow these contacts and calls. Since this watch has a speaker and microphone, you can call from it, obviously. Yep, allow that. And then also over here, we can go in the push notifications and allow the notifications from the apps you want to receive notifications by default. So if you are not receiving notifications, simply go over here and enable for whatever you need. Also, we can change the watch face on this watch over here. So simply go over here, click on the watch face, and it will send it over essentially. Also, make sure to enable this weather report. So again, by default, they won't be showing. So you need to actually enable this, and some other stuff here as well that we can change. And then the watch pretty much is ready to use really. So if I swipe down from the top, essentially I can get access to my quick menus here. If, for example, I can turn on my flashlight, as you can see, and manage various other things here. Also change my brightness and stuff like that, and even access more settings if I swipe up. So I can get access to my notifications over here. And if I swipe like this, I can get access to my apps, and also I can use this over here as a scroll wheel here as well to cycle through the different apps. And if I swipe right like this, I can get access to my health stuff like weather, and even add basically more of these things over here, such as music, workouts. So yep, also you can play music basically on this watch speaker. Oh, also, and basically in any menu, if you press this lower button, essentially you can launch your exercise tracking very quickly. I think that's pretty cool. And overall, yep, I think this watch is absolutely brilliant. By the way, again, if you maybe want to reset your watch at any time, we can also go, for example, over here in the system settings and simply click this reset. So, and it will basically wipe everything basically from the watch. And again, I think for this price, I mean, this watch is it's absolutely amazing. We have a real nice build quality, nice flashlight. And again, if you want to get insane deal on this watch, simply follow the link in the description. For this price, it's absolutely ridiculous how good this watch is. It's absolutely great. Anyway, good luck everyone.